In this video, I'll show you how to blog on Wix for free. Also, I'll show you how to upgrade to the Wix premium plan. With the premium plan, you can connect your domain with additional features. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. This channel is about web design, digital marketing, and how to make money online. If you are interested in these topics, keep checking videos on this channel every week. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so click on get started. Okay, if you have an account with Wix already, just sign in. But if this is your first time, just click on sign up. Enter your email address, type your email address again, create a password, type the password again, and click sign up. Alright, so what kind of website do you want to create? Alright, so you can choose from business, online store, photography, design, restaurant and food. So we have to choose blog because this video is about blogging. Alright, choose how you want to create your website. Let Wix ADI create a website for you. I would advise you to use the Wix editor because you can choose a template for yourself and customize it, and you have full control over this. Okay, alright, so these are the blog templates, so you can just go through them and see if you like any of them. Alright, then you can move to the next section. Okay, yeah, a whole bunch of templates. So let's go back to the first template section. I'll just view this. These are the top navigation buttons, your social media icons, okay, your banner. It looks good to me. Alright, so I'll close it and I'll click on edit. Alright, so this is it. You can edit anything on this page. There is an error here because of my internet, so what I'll do, I'll just close this gap. Just click on this, right click, delete first. Alright, then close it. Okay, turn this thing off because it's just a pain. Alright, so now the gap is closed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save it. So click on save. Alright, so give a name to your website. How to start a blog. Alright, then you click on save. Alright, so it's saving. So now your site was saved. Okay, publish your site so people can see. We are not ready to publish yet. For instance, if everything is done and you want to publish, you just click on publish now, but we're not ready to publish yet, so you have to click on done. Okay, if you want to use Wix for free, I would advise you to create an email address that goes with your niche. Okay, because when you use your email address to sign up, Wix gonna use that email address as your website name. Alright, so I'll give you a quick tour. So these are your top navigation buttons, and this is your home. That's where you go if you want to select a specific page to work on. Alright, and this is your desktop. This is your mobile version. Let me just show you quick. Alright, so this is your mobile version. Okay, I know people like editing on the mobile version, but I like to do it on the desktop. Alright, let's go back to desktop. Alright, so you just have to hover. Okay, so this is save, preview, get Facebook, publish, and duplicate site, transfer site. So this is like a shortcut. Okay, then moving on, settings, how to connect the domain. Alright, how to upgrade the tools. Okay, if you want the toolbar, the dev mode, this is the technical stuff, help desk, and upgrade again. Alright, so basically it's just the same thing repeating itself. This is if you want to hire a partner, okay, from Wix. This is zoom out and record. Alright, so this is undo and redo. So let's say for instance I click on this and I click delete. Okay, now it's gone, and I'll be like, oh shoot, it's just a mistake. All right, so then you go undo, then it's back. All right, then your save button, your preview before publish, then publish. All right, and with this template, it comes with it, so all you got to do is just change the names and just work on whatever you want to work on. It just saves you time. All right, yeah, so instead of using the page home, I prefer to use the menus and pages. If you want to edit a specific page, this is where you're gonna come. Okay, so for instance, I want to move blog on top of video. So what you do, you just can hold and just drop it. Okay, then now blog is on top of videos. All right, so it just pop up because we make that change. All right, so if you want to create a new page, okay, let's say you want to create a page called services, you just click add page, then you go from there. All right, but we don't want to do that, so I'll close it. All right, so this is the background. So for instance, when you click on this, instead of pure white, you want to change the entire background to, let's say, something like, you see, so this is how the whole background gonna look like. If you really want it, then you click apply, but we don't want it, so I'm gonna just close it and undo. But it looks nice though. If you have that on it, I think it really look nice like that. Yeah, just keep it and click on save. But normally it auto saves, but it's always good to, you know, save yourself. All right, so moving on, add sign. Most of the buttons, for instance, your text, your image, your buttons, contact form, embedded. Okay, this is if you want to use HTML code from a specific email provider or something. All right, so let's close it. The add apps. All right, so this is media. All right, like your Facebook and stuff like that, social media icon. This is my blog. This is what we're gonna use today, and this is your booking, which is like a calendar kind of. So these are all the menus. All right, so let's work on the home page. So to do so, we have to menus and pages and sites. Click on home. All right, so now we are back to the home page, so close it. This is it. So what we're gonna do, let's say for instance we don't want this, we're gonna move to the right side, right click, then delete. So the entire section is deleted, so we're gonna click inside that box again. As you can see, there's a little gap down here between this and that, so we're gonna just have to click on this one more time and push it up. Okay, to try and find it, so push it up one more time. Okay, so this is the space. Okay, if you want, you can push it one more time until you see the line close. Okay, you can change your category titles. Okay, so you just click on it. All right, then change text. You can just change it to whatever you want. All right, and even if you want a link, click on this and link to a website. Okay, then you copy the website address, then you paste it in here, then you click done. All right, so that's how you change it, and you can do that for all three. So if you want to change the background, click outside first. So let's say you want to change the image. Okay, so you click on the image, then change image. All right, so you can use media from WIX, or you can use from Unsplash stock images. So let's say you want something like travel. All right, then enter. All right, so let's say you want to use this instead, so you click on it, you click on choose image. All right, we're gonna just move it a bit. Okay, so this is how you move things around. All right, so moving on, social media buttons. I don't know why they are there. I find them useless. Okay, so let's delete them. Okay, this is better. We have them here. Okay, so that's all right. This, I would advise you to take it out from there, because you know what, sometimes instead of people staying on your website, which is good for SEO and Google, you know, ranking, they're just gonna, you know, go through your social media and stuff like that. So it's always good to bring it down right here instead of up. So that's a little tip I want to give you. So I'll just delete it because you want people to stay on your website. Okay, before your reader get to your footer, that means he or she has spent some time on your website, which is good for your ranking. Okay, so this is basically your Instagram feed. Okay, so if you want to make any change or use different social media connections, so you click on it, then you click on settings. All right, so then you connect to, let's say, Instagram or whatever, or create a new account. So let's say, or if you want to change the layout, the settings and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how you work it out. All right, and down here is your about section. This is your subscriber form. All right, so if you want to make any change, you just hover over it. On that particular area you want to make a change, double click. Okay, close it, then you start typing. Okay, so all right, so you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, but I don't want to change it. This is just to show you how to, you know, make little changes. All right, so to add a blog, come down here, my blog, so create a blog post. All right, so this is your blog post dashboard. All right, so let's create the title. All right, so this is the title, how to start a blog for free. For the body test, I'll use Lorem Ipsum dummy test. All right, because I don't have anything really, this is just a tutorial. All right, to do that, I'm gonna go up here. So I'll drop it here. Okay, enter and paste it again. Let's say we want to add an image, so you click on here, then click on the plus sign. So what do you want? We want image, so it's just loading. All right, so if you want to upload something from your computer, you just click on upload media. All right, so you can use media from Wix or on Splash. All right, so let's try media from Wix. So let's say, all right, then enter. Let's see if we can find something relating to blog. So all right, so let's use this one, then add to page. All right, if you want it on the left side, then alignment, then you click on left. Okay, see, this is another style. All right, if you want this way, and let me try and reduce it a little bit more. So this is cool. All right, so let's say we want to add the subtitle between this, so we're gonna click on this side, enter. So then you type in whatever you want to type. All right, double click to highlight the alignment, center, bold. All right, so title, let's see, this one we want to change to 2. all right, you have to look at it closely because the number is just too small. That's something that I wish Wix can work on. All right, because they can do better than that. Click out of it, or if you want the alignment, you can just push it back to the left. Yeah, it's up to you, you can play with it. All right, so let's say we want to add a video, so you click on here and add a video. All right, so you can copy the video URL from YouTube, then you paste it in here. Or if you want, you can upload the video. You click on here to upload the video. So it's as simple as that. That's how you add the video. So let's say we want to add another image, so we click on it, image. It's just loading. Okay, all right, so to reduce the size, you come down here, click and hold, and just squeeze it. Okay, now you can play with it the way you want. Okay, so let's say you want it alignment on the left again. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, but always try and make the image look a little smaller. Okay, or if you want the alignment in the middle, you go like that. Okay, but just to show you how it works, I know this is not the way you want it, but it's just to show you how it works. Okay, click this, enter, enter, and enter. All right, that's if you don't want it to be around the image. Okay, that's another way of doing it. Okay, so you can just play with it. So let's say we're gonna link it. All right, so let's say we want to link it to something. All right, then you highlight everything, you click on this link. So let's say we want to send them to this page, so you just double click, copy, then come back, drop the link, save. All right, so that's how you link to a specific page. You can play with it the way you want. So let's go into the settings. Okay, so you click on settings. We want this to be our cover image. Okay, so we'll keep it like that, and the author name, you can change it if you want to use your brand name or company name. The excerpt will be few sentences that people will see. All right, so let's try and highlight this up to here. That will be the excerpt. So moving on, you go to SEO, your title. This is the excerpt that we put in. I'm gonna just delete up to this area. I don't want that. All right, so you see we have short excerpt, which is good. Category, so it's about blogging, so I'll click on create a category and I'll call it blog. So when you're done, you click on the check mark. All right, then it's doing its thing. Okay, so new category created. All right, when everything is done, you click on publish. So they want you to get a domain, you know, that is the upgrade version. All right, so this is the blog that we created. After creating your own blog, you just have to delete these blogs down here. Okay, because you don't want them. This is not yours. This is from the template of Wix. So after checking everything, then you scroll up a bit, you move everything to trash. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I'm just showing you how. All right, but you have to do it in reality. Okay, because these are not your blogs. So let's say you have a specific blog that you don't want it. You can decide to edit it, or you delete, that's move to trash, or you can duplicate the post just so you can use that setup. You can revert to draft and turn off commenting. You can turn off commenting as well. All right, this is how you go about it. Then when you're done, you close it. Okay, then guess what? All right, so as you can see, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.